This is our traditional Nishi tribe's headgear, and the kettle also belongs.
So first of all, I would like to announce first indoor academy in Arunachal cricket, which will cost 5 to 7 crore rupees, and it will be borne by BCCI. So it will be adjusted against your amount due to association, but BCCI will do their expense. BCCI will hire agency like PwC, and we will hire good contractor like L&T or Shapoorji to create such kind of facility. We understand that the indoor coaching facility is of utmost importance in northeast states because you have a lot of rainfall here. So board will construct an indoor facility in each of these states so that cricketing activities are not hampered due to inclement weather. To shape our vision, BCCI will identify reputed architects and consultants to draw a design of the indoor facility with all requisite facility and equipment, including a gymnasium also. So we will construct academy as well as gymnasium. Another very important aspect, if cricket needs to grow in the region, would be availability to full-size ground with proper drainage facility, sprinkler system and ground equipment. In addition, there should also be basic minimum facilities like dressing room with modern facility, match officials room, conference room, space of storage of cricketing equipment. Hence, another focus area of the board would be develop at least one such full-size cricket ground in all northeast states. Along with the creation infrastructure, it is also essential to have development program for an all-round growth. So, as such, BCCI is of the view that with the help of NCA, a talent search may be undertaken in each of northeastern state, where talented cricketer across all age group will be shortlisted, and our coach will work closely with the kids to harness their skills. Moreover, the BCCI intends to ask NCA to prepare blueprint for the development of the cricketers in the region, and it would also assist the states in starting tournament at the grassroots level. So it is important that kids start early and receive the right training. Furthermore, to make this state self-sufficient, training program for umpire, video analysts, coaches would be undertaken under the aegis of the NCA, National Cricket Academy. It is pertinent to mention that the timeline set to complete all such work is 2 years. BCCI is confident that once the proposed infrastructure is created and cricket development program are implemented, the northeastern states will see a major transformation. The future looks very bright, and I saw the presentation which was done by Mr. Jaisil Patel. So it was a good presentation, but I think my view is that building a youth stadium, that is a good idea, but first of all we have to create a good infrastructure like training facility and everything. And I am not discouraging bigger ground, but rather than we are building a bigger ground, we have to build small ground in each area of the Arunachal Pradesh. So I think it will help out your player. And my humble suggestion to you is that you have to encourage your own local player rather than you will spend money on the outskirts player. So you have to look at your own player. So Arunachal is the largest state of the northeast. So you have huge potential, huge area, and so you have to develop your local cricket. So in 2019 you got full affiliation. So after 2019, I think BCCI reimbursed more than 10 crore rupees to Arunachal Cricket Association. So it's the same like your advance against due to 1920. So Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister is fond of Northeastern state. So I think we will work together and
Just to give a quick brief on about our company, we are currently working on 3 cricket stadiums. First being Arunachal Cricket Stadium. We are working with UPCA for their upcoming cricket stadium in Ghaziabad.
लेकिन the upcoming generations are so interested. तो जब क्रिकेट खेलेंगे हमारे अरुणाचली जब टीवी देखते हैं जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान जब खेलेंगे तो उसमें इंडिया थोड़ा किक ये आउट हो गया या हार गया रोता भी है और प्रेशर चढ़ के भी आदमी मर जाता है. दैट मीन्स थ्रू दिस क्रिकेट हम लोग का जो मेन लैंड को हम लोग इसी में हम लोग इंडियानेस वननेस को यही थ्रू क्रिकेट के द्वारा आगे बढ़ सकते हैं इन द पार्टिकुलर इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
To visit this place, and now all the northeast we all know we have talents but we don't have an infrastructure. So all of us, all the northeast 6 states, we have to develop infrastructure, and I want that all of us should support our players, make them play, and in the near future we will develop this infrastructure. And on behalf of the Arunachal Cricket Association also I'd like to request the BCCI secretary, CEO and all, that to take care of Northeast. We know that our BCCI secretary has a soft corner for Northeast, and that's why I am very happy that he has come here and he is going to visit all the other Northeast states also, and we can expect some very, very good things during his time. I am thankful to Arunachal Cricket Association for organizing this program. Thank you.